So for the past few weeks, I've been switching between 3 different Unihertz devices, from the Titan to the Titan Slim and now the Titan Pocket. Look, all 3 of these devices just reminds me of when tech was fun. You know what? Tech still is fun when you explore your horizon. Look, back in the day, long time ago, back in 2014, Blackberry unveiled the Blackberry Classic. And you know what? It was an understatement on how good it was. So let's fast forward to 2022, and Blackberry is no more. No more devices, no more support. This device may be for you, right? A smaller Titan, the Titan Pocket, a device that fits in your pocket. You know, a smaller version of the huger brother. Let me give you my thoughts about it. Sit back, relax, and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So the Unihertz Titan Pocket is a device that's not for everybody. It's not for everybody. It's a device that's for the user that wants a physical keyboard that's coming from the old Blackberry era. But you know what? Before I give you my thoughts about the Unihertz Titan Pocket, let's talk about the unboxing experience if you decide to pick one of these up. So check this out. So looking at the box, it's a plain white box, right? From what you all know and love. When opening up the box, you're greeted to the device itself. It also has a pre-installed screen protector on it. Also, you get a USB-A to USB-C cable, user manual, plus you get an extra screen protector. You get warranty information, a SIM tool, right? And so that means you get everything ready to go here. Now, as far as price, I found the Titan Pocket for a nice price for $309. I will leave that link down in the description below. So as we look at the device, let's go and talk about some of the tech specs. The Titan Pocket has a 3.1-inch 720 IPS display, and with the MediaTek P60 processor, we got 6 gigs of RAM in here, 128 gigs of internal storage. We got dual SIM support or SIM or SD card support. Now, as far as cameras, on the rear, you got a 16 megapixel camera with an LED flash, and in the front, you got an 8 megapixel camera. Now, as far as video, surprisingly, this device can shoot up to 1440p resolution at 30 frames per second. Now, power this device is a 4,000 milliamp battery, and this device is running Android 11 with December 2021 security patches, which we're gonna talk a little bit about in this video. Now, this is a 4G phone that works on T-Mobile and Verizon Wireless. Forget about AT&T, you already know how they roll. So that's the device in itself when you talk about specs. So let's talk about some extras. And this device does have some extras. The Titan Pocket has a full physical backlit keyboard here, and it has NFC, Bluetooth 4.1, an IR blaster, fingerprint scanner, Face ID, a programmable side key, a headphone jack. Yeah, a headphone jack. But let's go over the device. On the right side, you do have that programmable key, also a power button. On the left side, you got your volume rocker up and down, right? You have a SIM card slot. And at the top, you got your IR blaster along with the headphone jack. And in the bottom here, you have USB Type-C power port. Now on the back, you got your Unihertz sign and you got your speakers right here. And you know what? The speakers do sound really good here. So I've been using the Titan Pocket for about 2 weeks as one of my daily drivers, and it has been a very good experience so far. Now, you know, using a larger display and going back down to a smaller display, you definitely have to make some adjustments. Now, as far as the display, it's nice and sharp, even though it's 720p. The viewing angles are pretty good, got really good outdoor visibility, right? So the display is pretty nice, especially at 720p and a 3.1 inch display. Now, as far as performance, I see a lot of these companies using these MT processors, and you know what? It's good for this device. Remember, it's a small display, 720p display, and it's a pretty much clean bill of Android here. So there's no applications that's hindering this device performance. Now, playing games, it can be done a little bit difficult, especially on the smaller display, but it's possible, and I've done it, and it worked very well. Now, it's running Android 11, which is not a bad thing. Taking it that Android 12, if you remember when the Pixel 6 came out, it was a disaster. It wasn't a solid operating system, but I do wish that Unihertz would update this device to Android 13 to give us Material U. So that's something that hopefully Unihertz would consider. But the star of the show is a physical keyboard. Now, I've been using this older brother, the Unihertz Titan, and it's a big boy, big keyboard, nice spacious keys, but it's not pocketable. It's kind of big. So this is the smaller version. Now, this may work for a lot of people. Now, the classic keyboard is very clicky, feels good to the touch, got raised keys, and they have nice key travel. It's programmable keys for shortcuts. So yes, you can program these keys to have shortcuts, which is really nice. Now, again, I talk about this in all my Unihertz videos, that I wish you had a fourth row for numbers and special keys. But if you do need those numbers and special keys, it will be on the screen when needed for easy access. My only gripe about this keyboard, the typing experience is good overall, but the space bar just a little tad small for my liking. But that's like it is on all the devices, but I wish it were just a little tad bigger. So let's talk about these cameras. Look, I've been documenting that the cameras are not Unihertz's strongest feature, but you know what? Let me go to show y'all guys these cameras in action and let you be the judge for yourself. So check this out. All right, guys, so here it is. This is the Unihertz Pocket. I'm shooting this at 1440p, 30 frames per second. So I want y'all guys to see this, right? Now, don't get me wrong. Looking at the viewfinder, the cameras seem to be pretty decent here. As you see that the sky is pretty blue. The water looks really good here. The audio, you let me know how the audio sound. What's so neat about this phone is so small and compact, right? A 3-inch display, even though it's 720p, but yeah, look at the image quality there. Let's go down and get in the sun a little bit, and let's look at the water so y'all guys can see this here. If you ever wanted to be interested in this device, you get to see the video quality and the image quality of this device. And you know what? Here it is, right? Not bad. Now, it doesn't have optical image stabilization, so it may be a little jumpy here, jittery. But as far as the image quality, here it is. All right, guys, so here it is. This is the front camera of the Unihertz Pocket. You know, this is at 1440p shooting on the front camera. Now, as you can see, the background is definitely blowing out. I'm underneath a tree, so here it is. This is the best image quality that you're going to get. It's not bad at all. So here it is. This is what you're going to see. I mean, looking at the display, nice, bright, vivid. Now, I'm out here in the sun, and it's really good to see and to read the text on the display. So that is a good thing. Now, listen, man, it ain't the best 100% quality, but at this price point and that what Unihertz trying to deliver, it's not so bad. Now, I got electronic stabilization on, but yeah, it's not optical, so you're going to see some jumps here and there. but you let me know how the quality of the audio and the video. Unihertz Pocket, baby. So let's talk about the pros and cons with the Unihertz Titan Pocket. First, the pros. Look, the device look and feel very solid, right? It brings me back to my roots. A bit heavy, but that's fine, right? It definitely, if you drop this device, it will hold up very well. And it's fun to use, especially with a physical keyboard. Next, the battery life has been very solid, even though it's 4,000 milliamp, easy 2 days of usage with room to spare. So that is a good thing. Next, pro, the physical keyboard. Nice typing experience that I really do like, and it works very well. Next, the extras, like the headphone jack, IR blaster, a programmable key. It's definitely something good to have on a device like this. Extras, right? NFC and all the bells and whistles. So I really do like that. So that's the pros. But as you know, no device is perfect. So here are some of the cons. First, this device is on December 2021 security patch. Look, I'm okay with Android 11, but we're almost at the end of 2022 and the device hasn't been updated to the latest security patch, which brings me to Unihertz itself. Look, with all these devices that I've been reviewing, even though I like them, I'm not sure why they are not sending out timely updates. Look, this has been a problem for them, not sending out updates. Look, if you want to be a player in the game and take the torch to the future, Unihertz may want to reconsider software updates and software security patches. This is very important, especially for me. I'm a business owner, business professional, and I like to have the latest and greatest security patch. Next, what happened to this display here? You got large bezels here at the bottom, kind of confusing. I was wondering why Unihertz didn't extend the display to fill up this wasted space here at the bottom. Definitely a con in my book. You know, hopefully with the next one, they will go full extension on the display. So that's the cons in my book. So let me give you my final thoughts. The Unihertz Titan Pocket is a smaller version of the Unihertz Titan, which is the bigger brother. But you know what? This device is so big, a lot of people might want to go to a more compact design. It has all the same features that you know and love from the Titan, but at a smaller size. And it's very compact to easily fit in your pocket. Now, it's a solid device overall. It can handle drops and falls with no problem. Plus, it comes with extra screen protector, which is really good. Now, as far as performance, this phone performed great. No issues with performance here. Now, as far as the cameras are okay, right? This okay, but this device definitely needs some support. December 2021 security patch is something that's almost unacceptable in my book. I will leave all product links down in the description below if you want to pick this device up. But if you want to see my review of the Titan, right, the larger Titan, click this video right here. Click this video right here and I'm going to be in the comments. Let's have some fun. If you want to see the video of the Titan, click that video right there. This is Eric. See you guys on the next video. Peace.